Children, now today we will take the another chapter, that is chapter number 12, Heron's formula. In this segment we will break that area of triangle and Heron's formula. So first of all, triangle. What is triangle? A triangle is a closed figure bounded by three sides. Okay. Now what is the area of the triangle? The space occupied the inside the boundary of a triangle. A, B, C. This is area of triangle. Okay, the space bounded inside the boundary of the triangle. Correct. Now we find out the areas. Now our main part is area of triangle to find the values. So first we take area of right triangle. Okay, that is half base into height, or the area of triangle in which a simple triangle means not a specified triangle. We can take, if we have the base and height, then we use this formula to find out the area of triangle. Now second is area of equilateral triangle. We all know what is equilateral triangle. The triangle whose all sides are equal. Suppose the a side of triangle is A. This is an equilateral triangle. The length of each side of a triangle is A. Then area is root 3 by 4 side square. Okay. So here you can write root 3 by 4 A square. Okay. Now we take the third one is area of isosceles triangle. In such one, we have, suppose, the triangle in which any two sides are equal. Suppose this is base and this is equal side B. Okay. We have a triangle in which equal sides are B and a base of the triangle is A. So area of triangle is A root 4B square minus A square upon A upon 4. Okay, that we can find out the area of isosceles triangle. Now we use this formula for the triangle whose all sides are different, that means scalene triangle. Okay, the area of triangle, area of a scalene triangle, that is, we use Heron's formula. Suppose you have a triangle in which all sides are equal, different. Okay, so that area is, by using this formula, that is called Heron's formula, as S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Our topic is based on this formula. Here S stands for semi-perimeter, A, B and C are sides of triangle. Okay, you can find the semi-perimeter, that is the sum of all three sides of a triangle divided by 2. This way you can use the Heron's formula. Okay dear, now we will do some question based on each formula. Okay, we will not use the formula for isosceles triangle. We can use the area for triangle whose sides and perimeter is given. Okay. In this chapter you have the second part, that is the application of Heron's formula for the quadrilateral, and different type of quadrilateral is not in your course. That is only the Heron's formula is in your course. So we find the area of an equilateral triangle whose sides, length of the side is 20 meter. Area of equilateral triangle that is root 3 by 4 a square, where a is given 20 meter. Okay, so you substitute the value, that is root 3 upon 4, a square is 20. Okay, a means 20 square, so you expand it, root 3 by 4, 20 into 20, 4 5 are 20, then root 3 into 400. If suppose you have the value, otherwise this is our answer, 100 root 3 meter square. Okay, wherever we are, means we are using the word area only, so all the units will be in square unit. If suppose root 3 is 1.73, okay, then area हो जाएगा 1.73 into 100, so that is 173 meter square. This way we can find the area of an equilateral triangle where the sides is given already, है ना? Or if we use the Fero's formula for that, means we will not go for the different part, because that is much easy, you can do it easily. Okay, now we'll take one or two example based on Heron's formula. Find the area of an equilateral triangle. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are. The triangle is, okay, this is ABC, in which this is 12 centimeter. The sides are of 12 centimeter, 16 centimeter, and 20 centimeter. Okay, so you have the value of A 12 centimeter, B 16 centimeter, and C 20 centimeter. Okay, so you have to find the area of this triangle. So area of triangle ABC, that is root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. First of all, we have to find semi-perimeter, that is S. S is A plus B plus C by 2. So substitute the value 12 plus 16 plus 20 upon 2. That is 48 divided by 2. So semi-perimeter is 24 centimeter. Now you substitute the value in formula. The S 24, 24 minus 12, 24 minus 16, and 24 minus 20. Find it. 24, it is 12, it is 8, and it is 4. Now you factor them, है ना? You just go for the prime factorization. Otherwise, you factor in such a way that you will get the pair. See how I can do. This 24, 8 into 3. This 12, 4 into 3. This 8 is as it is, and this 4 is as it is. So I got all the numbers, like 8 is in pair, 3 is in pair, and 4 is in pair. So out of each pair, we'll take one number, 8, 4, and 3. So that is 8 4s are 32, 32 into 3. That is 96 centimeter square. That is the area of triangle. And this way we can use Heron's formula. Getting? Okay, dear?